Characteristics of physical equilibrium. We already learned some points, that is, in the case of solid liquid equilibrium, the two phases exist together in equilibrium only at a particular temperature known as melting point or freezing point. The second case, the system with liquid converting to the gas equilibrium, the presence of a gas above the liquid remains constant, provided the temperature is kept constant. From all these discussions, we can state the characteristics of equilibria involving physical process as follows. 1. The equilibrium is attained only in a closed system. That is, equilibrium can be attained only when there is no exchange of matter between the system and the surrounding. 2. Equilibrium is always dynamic in nature. The forward and the reverse process occur simultaneously at the same rate. 3. At equilibrium, the measurable properties of the system remains constant. This is because the concentration of the substance in two phases remains constant. 4. When the equilibrium is attained, there exists an expression involving the concentration of the reacting species which attains a constant value at a given temperature. For example, when water, that is ice, is getting converted into liquid water, the melting point at constant pressure is making a note about it. That means melting point, that means solid is getting converted into liquid, that is called the melting point at a constant pressure. That is a constant value, it will never change. Now next is chemical equilibrium.